we have a new Kia PV5 passenger. Well, I'm not sure if this is a camper van, but it's looking pretty nice from a manufacturer like Kia doing this type of work. Well, a sitting bench for two people with extendable legs, so it probably converts into a bed. And inside looks pretty nice. But getting on the back side, we can check the actual kitchen situation lower down, but probably you can push up. And in this section lower down, you get a sleeping pod bed for two people. Pretty interesting design with also vents on the back. Well, this shall be checked more in the future because, well, looks like a concept car for me, but the starting price is just 38,290. Well, we shall be checking that more later.